Last time on Milestone 3, we used XGBoost as our decision tree-based ensemble learner with default parameters and 100 by 50 images. After fixing some errors in the code, we realized that the grayscale images were actually the best feature extracted images out of 3 that we tested. So we decided to use this in hyperparameter tuning. However, we ran into major runtime and memory issues with the hyperparameter tuning, resulting in no runs that were completed even after 2 weeks. And this was despite using EC2 instances, which were relatively large. So we decided to stop using XGBoost and focused on random forests instead. In hyperparameter tuning for the random forest algorithm, we used the same grayscaled images that we generated last time. Also, in order for us to be able to search a wider range of hyperparameters without taking too much time, we used randomized search CV as opposed to greed search in initial hyperparameter tuning. But even with this, we did run into some runtime and memory issues, with each hyperparameter tuning code learning from 45 minutes to 5 hours long. So to prevent data loss, we ran the randomized search CV algorithm one iteration at a time and exported the result every time. As a result, we were able to generate 60 sets of hyperparameters with 5-fold cross-validation.